All right, so you guys are looking for great headphones for your outdoor events or indoor. These are Bluetooth. Not only I use them for Bluetooth, but when you're traveling, you want to avoid, the airplane noise, make them noise cancellation. These are perfect. Now they're over-the-ear systems, all right? They cover the majority of your ear completely. That it kind of blocks everything out of the audio from here. These are flexible, so you have to worry about if you handle this to your kids or any now. They look beautiful. They have a great style. They're all nickel plated. They have a lining in there that tells you R and L, right? So you could now you can actually stretch them out, and this is metal material, it's not plastic, so you don't have to worry about, hey, it's gonna break the next day or something like that. So this one has a couple features. It has a microphone built in. You could answer phone calls, you could drop phone calls. It has a volume knob here, and this is unheard of. I've never seen a volume knob on here, and also a push button. Now this also is a type C connection in the bottom, or if you run out of power and you want to connect it directly to a device, it also has a 3.5 jack that you could connect directly to it. And like I said, ready for any event. If you're traveling, if you're just going about business, or you want to take a walk in the park or run, and you want to sweat, you don't have to worry about it. And then they have foam, especially for a bald guy like me. Perfect. Microphone built in. You can answer phone calls, you could drop calls. Flexibility is all there. So out of the box, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.